George Washington freezes as musket fire erupts blindly through dense fog. George Washington realizes soldiers are firing at their own men. Dr. Eleanor Hayes carefully uncovers musket balls buried beneath forest soil. Past and present connect as discoveries mirror George Washington's desperate moment. Two British columns fire blindly as confusion spreads across the battlefield. George Washington steps forward, choosing courage over fear. Amid gunfire, George Washington runs between lines, deflecting muskets to stop the deadly chaos. Dr. Eleanor Hayes finds clustered musket balls, revealing opposing directions. Dr. Eleanor Hayes maps the battlefield, uncovering the truth of friendly fire. Dr. Eleanor Hayes stands where George Washington once risked everything. George Washington survives by luck as Dr. Eleanor Hayes reflects on fate. Dr. Eleanor Hayes stands in silence, proving history's echoes still guide us. Was it courage that saved George Washington, or something history can't explain?